After you've completed Module 4 of the Resume Workshop, you'll be ready to enter information about your education into College Central Network's Resume Builder. So you'll find the Education section underneath Summary of Skills, and you're going to come and click the green plus sign, and a box will open where you're required to put in some information about your schooling. Now, if you see a red asterisk, that's a place where you are required to enter information. Otherwise, it's a section you can skip, although several of these sections I recommend filling in if you're able to. So we're going to start with school name, and you want to start with your most recent school experience. I'm going to put Community College of Vermont in Rutland. For degree, I'm going to type in Associates. For completion date, if you're about to get your degree, feel free to go ahead and enter when you expect to graduate. Even if it's a year out, you can still put your expected graduation date. For GPA, we recommend that you enter a GPA only if it's a 3.0 or above. If you choose not to enter anything here, you will not see that information on your resume. It won't look like a hole. It just won't be there. Major, we're going to fill that in. And down here in this text box, this is a great place to list any relevant classes that you may have taken that are going to be helpful to you in getting a job in a specific field or in a specific location. So we're going to put in relevant classes. And then you can simply list them there. So when your information is ready, you're going to hit Add Education. And now if we scroll down, you will see that the Education section appears on the resume. Now let's say that you'd like to add a second school. Perhaps you did some coursework in college prior to coming to CCV. You can add that by clicking, again, the green plus beside Education. And again, we'll put in the school name. So put in my second school here. So Boston, Massachusetts. We're going to say courses toward an associates. We're going to say that I completed there in 2015, and my major again was STEM studies. Again, I can list my relevant classes. And now I'm going to hit Add Education for my second school. Now when I scroll down, you'll see that I have 2 entries in my Education section. Now you want to have the most recent one on top, as I said, and then you want to work your way backwards through time from your most recent towards your furthest back. And if you get confused in the order of how you put the information in, that's fine, because you can actually move these entries around within the Education section. So if you wanted to do that, you would come here to the orange arrow. And so if I wanted to move this entry up within my Education section, I could click the orange up button. Or if I wanted to move this one down, I could click the orange down button. If I want to delete one, I can click the red minus. If I want to edit it, I can click the pencil. But right now, I'm happy with it, and I'm going to leave my Education section.